So again, they will go after those regional and religious.
Correct, absolutely.
So we cannot expect competent and meritorious reshuffle by the chief minister, who himself is incompetent, who himself feels that he is in that position due to a lottery ticket. It is like a lottery ticket to him and not for any performance. He has acknowledged it. So what much we can expect from a person who himself has said that not because of anything else, but it is like a lottery ticket. So he has acknowledged that he himself is incompetent and due to some jugglery he has become the chief minister.
See, and finally look at it this way: they have already taken him with as a convict. They may not feel it for a period of 6 months.
So you are saying that they will keep the vacancy not filled for 6 months.
6 months and maybe take him back. Finally, if they feel that, but of course they may not do it. Also because in the ZP election he has shown that he is on his way out. If you look at the ZP election result, he is on his way out. If that is so, they may not take him. But if he had shown...
You are saying that Mickey's political utility for the BJP is also running out.
He is running out. And that is the reason he could be dropped. If he had shown strong ZP results, they may have kept it open for a period of 6 months.
So now they were saying that political utility is also running out. Mayal Bab, एकच समजा बस वॅकंट जाली जाल्यार तरी तुमची गव्हर्नमेंट एक मेरिटोरियस किंवा कॉम्पिटन्साचेर ती बर्थ भरतली काय परत सगळे रिजनल रिलिजियस कंपल्शन्स घेऊन बसतली काँग्रेसी भशेनच
चीफ मिनिस्टराक म्हाका दिसता अशें कंपल्शन ना की एकाच घालूंक जाय तेकाच घालूंक जाय एंड as far as I have seen him taking decisions, he takes it by himself. And I think he will take a good decision in the interest of the state. जर तर बत खाली जाता जर तर आमच्या मिकी बाबाक रिप्लेस करपाचे जर तर इमिडिएटली इन द नेक्स्ट 2 days जावपाच्या जाल्यार he will take a right decision, give the
you are hoping that it will be based on competence.
It should be based on competence and not on religion and not on anything like that, caste आणि हे आणि तेका दिवंक
तुम्ही कितें म्हणटा they are worried because of
आमी सगळ्यांक representation दिल्ल्या भारतीय जनता party has given representation to all communities, all religions, everybody. So the question of caste, religion हे ते
doesn't arise. Okay. तुमचे दिसा because after the ZP election तांकां आपली weaknesses कळ्ळ्यात.
Yes.
So थंय परत Salsit becomes a little panicky thing for BJP and that is why they might go for a Christian face from south.
It looks like that. But there is another way of looking at it. Say person like Subhash Faldesai, then
Nilesh
Cabral. Then you have in the north there is Pramod Sawant. He has done badly in the ZP elections. Maybe they feel that if he is brought as a minister, he could be given some fillip in the elections, like the Congress did when they lost Karnataka last time. They made many ministers from Karnataka at the central level. It gave them some results by way of Karnataka elections. So something like that may be worked out. Like say Pramod Sawant feels that if he is a minister, he could be a performing minister, and hence he is elected. So something like that. Then see our Michael Lobo has already won. They may feel that he is already powerful. Why?
You don't need to give him more power.
Oh yeah, why give him more power? He's there already. So let us.
And giving more power to Michael might be more trouble.
What works in the mind of the chief minister, we will not know.
So किती सांगेल खंय just after ZP election जी नवीन इक्वेशन्स आयल्या दोन्ही गजाली क्लियोफास बाब सांगती गजाल आहा की ताका वीक आसा ताका स्ट्रॉंग करया किंवा हांगा बाबा सालसेत ही एरियाज वीक आसा किंवा साउथ गोवा ही फुल एरियाज वीक आसा तुमचो मनीस घेवया what is the politically smart move
rather than we being apprehensive about what the chief minister will do or should be doing. We should see that they are playing very smartly at this moment. They are, as Michael Bab has said, they are giving representation to communities, caste. Though they give representation to minorities and all these things, their acts are exactly against the minorities. You take the case of today holding the film festival on day of Maundy Thursday. He himself had opposed yesterday. And as Michael Bab has said now that chief minister is very decisive and takes his own decision. Why the chief minister is not striking it down? Why you are putting the entire blame on Damu Naik, who is the chairman of the ESG? Why he has not gone to the chief minister? Why the chief minister is not striking it down? That means you are trying to fool the people. Tomorrow they may give to one person from minority from south to put a focus that we are with the minority, and we have given a person who is nearby.
You are saying this,
but at the same time,
tokenism is not going to work unless your actions change.
Yeah, definitely, it is not going to act. It is not going to work, because see, it is very evident now. If they don't act now, they may give. They may even make the chief minister from minority. It is not going to change.
ही गजाल खूप महत्वाची झाल्या. Minorities losing faith in the government is playing at the back of the mind of maybe the core group of the BJP, maybe the chief minister, and this is the factor which is going to decide most of their decision making directions.
Correct. Now, I do not know what is their perception. Maybe they give up on the community and say that we can do without this community, let us polarize it further. Who knows? See, actually at the national level, it appears that is the agenda, that let us polarize further, because in any case we don't require them. In Goa, the position is slightly different because Catholics are about 23%, so they cannot say that directly. That is why the chief minister is taking different stand on beef, while the central Rajnath Singh is taking a different stand. But in Goa it is slightly different. But if they feel, as he is saying, if they feel that a community is no longer with us, they may go for a further polarization. We don't know. They have been doing that in other states.
But most of their decision making, including reshuffling of cabinet, will be based on the perception.
Political perception.
Michael,
See, I feel that nobody should take the minority for granted, which the Congress had taken earlier, की क्रिस्तांव आणि मुस्लिम लोक खूंय गोंयचे ना म्हणून ते गेले, ते आमकां येयले बीजेपीक गेल्या फावटी. See the result, 2012. They thought that they will not go anywhere and we will do whatever we want. They did whatever they want. They did not care for anybody, including the minorities. So minorities came to the BJP. They had faith on Manohar Parrikar, and so they came to us, and they are with us. And we will see that.
Let us be very clear. Right now, sitting here.
Let us not discuss last election.
Yes, we will
require one hour of sitting to decide that. And it is not exactly.
We will need further 2 more hours to discuss post 2012.
Yes.
Michael, right now sitting here, you are not comfortable. Right now you are not comfortable as a BJP MLA. Is it a fact?
No, I am very much comfortable. That is why people have shown faith on me. And
people have shown faith in Michael Lobo.
See,
people have shown faith in BJP MLA.
See, they have shown faith also on my candidate, that our candidate has won on a BJP symbol. So it is, people have shown faith on me.
You are not uncomfortable.
No, I am not uncomfortable as far as BJP is concerned.
But you are not happy with certain issues.
No, see, certain issues during earlier government also they were there. Now also they are coming up. So we have to voice our opinion and also our opposition to it. If something is going wrong, that is my duty as a governor.
So, very frankly, I mean generally now घेना आशिल्ले पण नाव घेऊया. खंयचे मिनिस्टर्स तुका भायर आयिल्ले बरे दिसतले कॅबिनेटांतल्यान आणि कोण जे मायकल हसता ऑलरेडी कोण तुका कॅबिनेटाक पळोवपाक बरे दिसता एज एन ओपोजिशन आणि एक गोंयकार म्हणून
whom do you want? म्हाका पळोवपाक बरे दिसतले ताजेर कमेंट करचो ना बिकॉज इट विल बी अगेन्स्ट I don't want to comment on who should be the ministers, but I will strongly say that I will just name 2 ministers. One is tourism minister, other is power minister, because I will not go into depth of what other ministers have done wrong, because they have not done anything.
Power minister त्याचे कितेतरी पर्सनल असतं.
My personal is not.
त्याने खूप काम केला. Even opposition. You speak to all the nine Congress.
You're okay with Dilip Parwekar. You're okay with Dilip Parwekar.
8 Congress MLAs.
Personal thing against Dilip Parwekar.
No, there is nothing personal.
No, otherwise how can you say senior and junior? He is also senior because he is almost 2 times MLA. I am talking because the power.
You are going on merit.
I am going on merit because see, everyone is suffering power crisis today in the state. And not only I am not suffering. Everyone is suffering.
Your wish list is
my government.
Sunil, your wish list is
your government was free to put the wrongs done by the earlier government to right.
No, we
and
have
to
to
put behind the bars all those who have done wrong.
Create more
Why you didn't do
infrastructure.
it?
ते आता 3 वर्सां तुमकां एकूच विचारतात आमी इतली सगळे करप्शन केलें आमकां भितर उडया मरे म्हणून भितर उडय म्हणटा
नवी जेल बांधल्या मरे घाला मरे भितर सगळ्यांक
घाला म्हणटा भितर तुम्ही आनी जर भितर घालना भितर घालना जाल्यार उलय नाका
आनी उलोवच नाका तुम्ही तुमकां रायटूच ना आमच्या लोकांनी चोरला मरे चोरांक भितर घाल हांव सांगता तुका नाल्यार उलोवच नाका तुमकां रायटूच ना उलोवपाक
सो युअर विश लिस्ट इज tourism minister and power minister should be out
they
of
are
the
sitting on all the corruption cases, they are sitting on all the wrongdoing.
Just you don't ministries replace to कोणाक दिसता कोण भितर वचचो असो
म्हाका दिसता we should not at this moment see caste religion and yet we should see proper merits. There are quite so I cannot comment because the moment I comment people from our areas will say why you are projecting. I cannot say it.
Okay, so you can only say who should be dropped.
I am saying who should be dropped.
Cleopatra, what is your wish list?
That is very difficult. But if you want people to be named, I will not name them in person maybe. But if you look at the ministry, sports, environment, tourism, art and culture are
major areas of concern.
And could be seen as non-performing ministries.
Non-performing ministries. Okay, you are nicely putting it. Non-performing.
Let us not name the.
Let us not name the person. And whom would you like to see in this cabinet? The young, fresh blood. Which faces you would like to see in the cabinet? If chief minister goes for it, what is your advice to the chief minister?
If he asks me,
yeah.
I may find it very difficult, but of course my friend Michael is there, Subhash is there, as whom he has named. I find this too.
Yeah, they should be inducted. Michael Bab, you have any wish list or you don't want to open your wish list here?
See, I have told you that we have good young MLAs who will go to the people and do their work, who will get out from the
office. Drop karwa jaye? Which are non-performing ministries?
There are
how many? Sir, I am not asking you names now. How many? I can understand.
I cannot tell you the names, but I told you that who can be.
No, I am asking you out of 12, how many ministers should be dropped? 3, 4, 5 कितले?
At least if they want to really reshuffle.
Correct. Ideal reshuffling.
Yeah, ideal. At least 6 should go and 6 should come in new.
6 should come in new.
Yeah, new.
So you are demanding complete 50% reshuffle.
Yeah, 100. See, if you do that, people will show the lost faith. Otherwise, I'm just ZP election. We have to finally agree that we have lost our votes.
Okay,
we have to agree one thing that people have gone away from the.
See, but one more last thing is like this. See, after 2.5 years, when we found that the performance was bad, they changed the chief minister, and even that change has not helped.
Yeah.
Correct. So according to me, the graph is down.
The graph is going further down.
Yes.
No, we can still repair it. We can still repair
50% change the cabinet.
There are high chances of repair because they are in a state of disrepair.
We can repair.
You can repair, but to repair, 50% of the cabinet needs to go out is what Michael Bab saying. Sunilan नाव 2 घेतल्यान म्हणून कोण भितर वचो तो आपल्या सांगपाक Cleophas Bab is the most diplomatic on this panel in spite of being a non-politician saying that non-performing ministries. But the picture is very clear. We need reshuffling. Non-performing ministers has to go out and new blood has to come in. That is the only option if you want to do any repair. हे म्हाका दिसता सगळीं जाण एग्री जातले. तुम्ही 3 जाण आयले मांडले मतात. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.